Misusumangid laning orientation na dadaw na ning Anti-Red Tape Authority o ARTA bang lalong pasignangan ing implementasyon na ning Ease of Doing Business o EODB law karang local government units at regional government agencies. Anya mong Lunes, November 6, mayroon pa ing Central Luzon region-wide EODB orientation king Clark, Pampanga.
To capacitate, enable government agencies to comply with the requirements of the Ease of Doing Business law, because we consider government agencies as our partners, no? And we want them to comply, and the best way for them to comply is to assist them, orient them on the law.
Mika EODB Summit na mo naman karyang aliwapang lugar king bangsa, Antimoking Cebu, Ilocos Norte at Cagayan de Oro. Asulong na kanunini ing pamisawap dari miyayaliw tanggapan na ng gobyerno bang apabilis at asalese ing government procedures at public services. Agpangkang ARTA Director General Secretary Ernesto Perez, maragul na kanong improvement karimyaliw ang proseso, manibat inyang may patupad yung Anti-Red Tape Act anyang 2007.
Showcase yun dito sa Clark Development Corporation. You've heard it directly from testimonies of the locators here, and also testimonies of other people who have experienced getting their business permit in a matter of minutes or hours. They can do this, they can do the filing from the comfort of their home or offices, and even print the business permit in their offices or home.
Bista man makatanggap la kanong reklamo ring ARTA tungkol karang masakit at mabagal pa magproseso karang serbisyo na ng gobyerno, nung man kanutambing magdalong kaso, dapat mamye lamong warning lakwas karang first time pa mong may reklamo.
We do not want to burden them. As long as we're convinced that there was no intentional violation of the law, we understand that warning lang muna, but next time will be harder.
Samantala, mayong yening banwa, anyang may buklat kayong ARTA Regional Field Office kening Central Luzon. Akit ya ini king National Food Authority o NFA Building, king MacArthur Highway Barangay Sinalaan, Syudad San Fernando, Pampanga. Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo. Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.